Hi there, future investor. My name is Nasrul. Wanna know how a company is? One way to do this is by analyzing its financial ratio. So today we will learn about financial ratio, especially liquidity and solvency ratio. Liquidity ratio are a class of financial metrics used to determine a debtor's ability to pay off current debt obligation without raising external capital. Liquid ratio measure a company ability to pay debt obligation and its margin safety through the calculation of metrics. And about the solvency ratio is a comparison of several measurements which generally used to measure whether an insurer company finance are healthy or not. In this video, we'll guide you through the step to do just that. So let's go to the procedure. Okay, the first step is gather financial data, financial statement. Obtain the company financial statement such as the balance sheet and income statement. You can usually find this in the company website or financial data platform. If you wanna search in financial data platform, you can search in financial statement BI. You can write it in the Google, or maybe you just search the name of the company in Google and you will find it. After you find the financial statement, require the data. The basic data you needed: current asset, current liability, inventory, total asset, total liability, and total equity. You can find it in the financial statement. Calculate liquidity ratio and solvency ratio. In liquidity ratio is a two-type ratio. The first type is current ratio. Current ratio is current asset divided by current liability. The example, current ratio in Cimory is a 439%. After that, you can calculate the quick ratio. Quick ratio is subtract inventory from current asset, then divide by current liability. In Cimory, the quick ratio is 530%, so is the liquidity ratio. For current ratio, a higher ratio indicates a stronger ability to pay short-term debts. And for the quick ratio, show a company ability to pay short-term debt without railing the on inventory sale. After that, solvency ratio. Solvency ratio have a two type is a debt to equity ratio. Debt to equity ratio is total liability divided by total equity. And in example, in Cimory, the debt equity ratio is 18%. Debt equity ratio is lower ratio suggest less reliance on debt financing. After that, you can calculate the debt to asset ratio is a total liability divided by total asset. In example, total liability divided by total asset equal to 16%. Debt to asset ratio, a lower ratio indicates a healthier financial structure. So that calculate liquidity ratio and solvency ratio. So the last step is compare to industry standard. Compare the company ratio to industry average. This will give you a better perspective on its performance. So if you ratio better than standard, it's meaning the performance of financial company is good. After you compare to industry standard, analyze the trend. Look at how the ratio have changed over time. Positive trend indicate improving financial health. Maybe you can calculate the ratio for about 5 years ago, so you can know the trend is positive or negative. Okay guys, that's the step how to analyze company health financial. By following this step, you can gain valuable insight into a company financial health. Remember, the ratio analysis is just one tool in investor toolkit. Always conduct research before making any investment decision. Maybe it's that. Next time we will meet again. Bye bye.